Whenever we have a NumPy array, we're creating a NumPy object, and within that object are various attributes. One of those attributes that we can access is the shape. So a shape of a NumPy array basically stores the length in terms of the number of elements within each dimension. Okay, so this this zeroed array here, which we just created using np.zeros, if we were to call ask for the dot shape attribute, that would pass back this value 543, which basically tells us the length of the number of elements in each dimension. So 543, which is what we passed in to create it. You may, however, want to find out the number of dimensions itself, and we can use the ndim attribute for that. And if we use the ndim attribute on zeros array, it's a three-dimensional array, so it will tell us there are three dimensions.